Accessing and navigating KPR Schools Parent Corner, a website designed for parents of KPR students with quick and easy access to resources, information, and applications. KPR Schools Online Parent Corner can be accessed through the kprschools.ca website by clicking on Parents in the top navigation bar. Parent Corner can also be accessed by clicking on Student and Family Support, then selecting Parent Corner from the menu. From the Parent Corner homepage, there is quick and easy access to some of the most commonly used parent resources. By clicking on the Access EDSB button, you can log into your Parent EDSB account, communicate with your child's teacher, view student classwork, and access your child's report card. For further instruction on how to use and access EDSB, please watch our Accessing EDSB video. Clicking on the Student Credentials icon, you can access your child's KPR username and password, which is required for them to log into KPR applications. You will need their OEN, which can be found on any current or past report card, their birth date, and PIN number, which would have been emailed from KPR DSB ICT department to the parent email address on file. If your child's password was reset anytime after the start of the school year, please contact the elementary or secondary helpline. Click School Messenger to access safe arrival and absence reporting, as well as to view important information or news from your child's school. Click School Cash Online to pay for your children's school fees, such as class trips, yearbooks, and fundraisers. Click Class Lookup to look up your elementary students' class information for the upcoming school year. Further down the page, you will find additional parent resources and information. Along the right-hand side of the screen, you can access information on parent conferences and parent involvement. For more information and resources, you can access the full Student and Family Support menu. For technical support, click Tech Support and Tutorials. If you or your child require technical assistance, please reach out to either the elementary or secondary helpline. If your child is in need of technology for an online or virtual course provided by KPR, you can complete the online request forms or call the phone number shown here.